morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Trumpeter's Thursday. That's what I'm going to go with this today. Last night, I kind of did a switcheroo, and I did basically linguine with yummies, with goodies is actually how it is. Linguine with goodies. Oh, it was good. I had fun with that. I just used stuff I had on hand. That's all I did. I didn't make a trip to the store. I used what I had on hand, and it was good. I will post up the ingredient list. There's no recipe to it. I did cook the tomatoes, the goodies. They did get cooked, but not a sauce. Just in addition to the linguine. That's all. Tonight, I'm been looking forward to this dish since I discovered it and since I blended the curry, Japanese curry that goes with this dish. I'm going to try to say this name. It's got three names, actually. Karee Raisu. I don't speak Japanese. It's also known as Japanese curry or curry rice. Cool. Let's get to it. Got the hardware out for the rice. Of course, with curry rice, you have to have rice and the good old Dutch oven. This is a pork dish. You can substitute chicken with this, but I've decided to go pork. I love pork, and it's reasonably priced. I'm going to be using a long grain white rice. You could use whatever white rice that you like, whether it's jasmine or basmati or whatever. But this is a two-part. So we got the protein, which is pork, carrot, and a potato. That's what they're calling the protein or the meat portion. And for the sauce is some oil, kosher salt, black pepper, a stock. You could use beef stock, chicken stock, veggie stock, heavy cream, onion, garlic, ginger. This is my Japanese curry powder. It also adds a cumin powder, a little bit of turmeric, some paprika, and some chili powder. It calls for cayenne, but I'm actually going to be using my Thai chili powder. You could use whatever red or chili powder you like, with the addition of some flour for thickening. So here are the goodies for tonight's Thursday dinner. Yes, if you didn't know, the Casual Chef website is fully operational, ready for you to get something like a Japanese curry. It's available online. Or my cookbooks. I know it's a commercial, but it is what I do. On this Trumpeter's Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.